Everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at the back trunk closing mechanism for a 1992 Lincoln Town Car. We have to swap it out. It's going to be swapped with this piece, which came off in 1995. These things, once the car closes, it has a little actuator right there that's powered by this motor, the silver motor, and it pulls that little metal hasp down to secure the trunk. The good news is once you pop the two little rivets that hold the juke on the back of the car, all you have to do is pop the power out, and to do that you just slide it. It has a little push tab right there. You have to lift up and then it pulls right out. You need to do it with two hands, but then there's only 3 bolts. 1, 2, I already took one out, 3 that have to come out, and they're 11mm bolts. So that's pretty simple on how you do it, but we'll do that. I'll have my dad hold the camera here for a second. Here's how you take off the electrical. Just pop that up and pull out. And this is the piece that closes it. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Hopefully the new one is a close enough match. Check the holes. Looks like exact. So now I need those. Okay, I didn't over tighten it because on the inside this is actually a plastic or an acrylic, probably a plastic, that holds that secures the 3 bolts, the 3 screws. I'm going to hook up the power, and this might actuate right now. We'll see. Nope. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tools out right now because we're going to try this, and there's a chance it might not open up, but we're going to give it a shot. I'll do a little more snugging on these things and see. We'll give it a trial after that. Go ahead. Okay, so it clicked, and that actuated the actuator, which pulled it down. We're going to test it one more time to see if it opens. Pop. Okay, now the true thing is we're going to pull the juke back over it. Hold that. And one more time. Let's close it. You'll hear a click and it'll suck itself down. Okay, that's how easy it is to change the trunk closer on a Lincoln Town Car. This is a 1992. 3 bolts and 1 electrical outlet connection. Thanks for watching.